Okay, I'm back again. I'm going to use Screencastomatic again, but I wanted to use Edpuzzle, so I'm really struggling to get these things to work, but I made a little video in Edpuzzle and I got registered and made the video, but then it didn't load it back up in here, so I must not have made it correctly. And in order to move forward, I'm just going to go back to my Screencastomatic, which seems to be where I'm having good luck. So I used that, and I'm going to use that to show you my profile. You find your profile in the upper right corner where you can click on your name and where it says profile. And I just was there, so I added a picture. And I don't have a lot of information these days for myself. It looks like I have a Moodle for teachers from last year, which I did sign up for, but I didn't actually get to do much in. And so I'm excited this year to be actually here and getting to learn so much already, so much that's going to be helpful for my students. I can edit my profile here if I would like to and add information. I can describe who I am. I'm an associate professor at Auburn University. I think that's what you want, some information about me. University in Auburn, Alabama. And I can submit that. And I have no contacts. I have 12 discussions going on. I could go in here and do some more. I think I can do even more editing. I can give more information. Oh yes, I can add a picture, which I just did a little bit ago. And these are updating, and then update I can do some other things, maybe tell you more about how to pronounce my name, and give more contact information and update my profile. I saw someone else's video where there was more things that I could do, but I'm not sure where to find that again. Maybe under preferences. Okay. So here is where I can get more information about how to set up my account. I could look at my forum preferences here to see what I'm telling it. I could manage my badges over here. I don't believe I have any badges, but I'm looking forward to learning about those and maybe getting some. And so that's all I have for you today. Thank you.